depict brutality and assaults which have a harmful influence on community. On the other side, many contradict the above statement with no effect on people's actions. I completely accord with these impacting the masses. To commence with, exposure to violent TV shows. So try not to put them in brackets. Just say such as Mirzapur, criminal justice, and many more. And games like PUBG have shot up. What do we mean by shot up?
I meant by
It's
increase in
yes, it's a
popularity.
phrasal verb. We will not use any phrasal verb. So what will you say? Become popular in the 21st century. The youth follows. I hope this is an S, right? Follows what the actors do, which can impact the behavior, not impact on the behavior, impact the behavior of their followers. For instance, few months ago, a cab driver had murdered a passenger by adopting the strategies from a Netflix N capital series Criminal Justice. This was a matter of talk everywhere. Attraction towards rough games and television shows a lasting impact on minds, which in return can be fatal for oneself as someone, oneself,
Or some,
for
or
anyone, just mention anyone, for anybody. PUBG was one such game which was famous among the youth and had to be banned because it had an adverse impact. So, first side, you're saying that it has an adverse impact, and you have discussed both television shows as well as computer games in para 1, right? Okay. Now, you're now discussing the other side, which thinks that there is no such impact, right? Turning to the other side, nowadays, okay, I would not tell you to write this phrase nowadays. Try to use something else because this is a very common phrase used by a lot of students. So try not to use it. It makes it a little common kind of an essay. Everyone has a busy life which in the contemporary times needs a break to freshen up, not ourselves, when everyone is there, to oneself. Everyone is still singular. You will say oneself. The leisure time and for having fun, comma, one can watch for the leisure time. For the leisure time and having fun. So leisure time is nothing but having fun. One can watch television or play games. It is not important that everyone takes the shows seriously and replicate them. Correct. In addition, we live in a civilized society where everyone is aware of uh, what what they view, right? What they view and how to react towards it. For instance, a bank employee who has to deal with the clients from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. would obviously find a source to entertain himself and enjoy life, because it is equally important to live the life to the fullest, because fullest is a superlative degree or adjective, so the will be used before it, along with our jobs. Hence it can be denied that such factors make a difference in behavior. Not even once we have mentioned violence in this paragraph. For having fun, one can watch television and play games, no matter what the genre is. So here, it does not matter whether it is violence based, or it is horror or comedy or whatever. It is still entertaining, and it is treated as a source of entertainment by the masses, not something that will adversely impact their minds, right? This is what we are trying to say. In conclusion, violence may lead to aggressive behavior and lead to insensitive. I think the spelling of VE is missed out here. Which, while for some it may not be true, I opine that violent movies and shows are harmful for the society's behavior. Nicely written. Task response, coherence, cohesion, also a good score. Lexical resource, at a couple of places like shot up, then oneself, okay. Nowadays, common phrase. That's all, not many. Spelling mistake at one place. Grammatical range and accuracy, such as Do not use bracketed words because at times bracketed words are not even considered as words in the essay. Punctuation mistake, N is small, right? Impact, and then you put the object. That's all. Oneself or someone, grammatical error. This is lexical error. Ourselves, oneself, because everyone, oneself. Okay, so again, not bad.